For the back side, you're just going to go directly under the wheel in the back, and then you're just going to go down, and you should see right up in there. So I'm not going to show you how to install the rears here because it is honestly straightforward. If you go off the front ones that I'm about to do, you'll be able to do these back ones just fine. I recommend starting off on these, but only do one at a time, please. Do not do more than one. If you do more than one at a time, you can damage things or risk alignment on the subframe.
Well, looks like we're just... that you have to get your stuff out of. Kind of locks them into place there. Nope, there's enough 10. There we go, now that's loose, please. There we go. Let's put it back down. Look at fuel lines. Boop, boop.
So you'll see me remove with a 21mm on this particular insert. Do not do more than one at a time, as I said before, and ensure that you have the right kind of tools to be able to do this before you begin. As you notice, I'm using my big boy hammer on this one. It is a significant amount of torque that is applied on this, and then in addition, when you go to actually use your torque wrench, it'll take a significant amount of leverage plus an angle turn on it.
Make sure you have enough room to take your bolts out. Take that out.
So the way that you're going to see me get at this insert to get it out is to use my pry bar and to get it under there. There are two locating pins in the center of it that are going to break, and that's okay. Once those pins break, the plastic piece will come out. I don't know if you can get the piece out in one piece. Maybe Tyler can say otherwise, but all four of mine required this procedure right here of just taking the crowbar and just wiggling it until those locator pins broke.
Super simple, guys. You just put your crowbar up in here and, you know, no big deal. It just pops right out.
You'll see the subframe carrier actually flex around as I'm prying on it. This is why you only want to do one bolt at a time. You do not want the subframe out of alignment. You could shred your differential.
One eternity later.
All right. Well, the tab did break. It's in there. Frankly, I don't think it matters, so I'm just gonna leave it. Wow, that was way more of a dick than I thought it would be. Shit. Oh, there we go. Whew. All right. When I grow up, I just want to be a Toys R Us kid. All right. Very gently, bring it back up in there, see how it's raising. This is why we do one at a time. So now we're gonna take our new bolt here and we're gonna tighten to 115 Newton meters plus 90. What that means is if I come back under here and I hear a popping noise and that green is not aligned, I got a problem. Now, that's not to say that you can't have popping noises with this still being aligned as well. Thread stretch is very much real, and it is the reason why we have to do another 90 degrees after we turn this. All right, you've pretty much got it. The other side's the same. So, on a scale of 1 to 10, about a 4. Not terrible. You need an 18mm and a 19mm, a T25, and a 10mm socket. A couple of extensions, and you need a 1/2" torque wrench for sure. You're not getting this with a 3/8, don't try. Other than that, make sure you torque to spec, make sure you replace hardware, and let me know how you feel, how you like it. Thanks for liking, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We have more videos coming. Stay tuned.